Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgos. Ayan, take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha, kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukulat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung hindi ka makaka-relate, makaka-resonate, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. At saka nga pala, no, kung gusto mo, i-check mo na lang yung ibang videos natin. Maaaring yung reading para sa'yo ay naandyan. Ayan. At saka nga pala kung gusto mo ay pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader ha. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Nandyan yung details sa baba. Please do click like and please do comment down below. Ayan. At hopefully mapili ka. Kasi sa October mamimili si Madam Jean na mabibigyan ng free reading na personal. Mga 10 yung pipiliin niya sa mga channels natin at 10 rin naman sa page at group niya. Okay, so start na natin ang reading. This is for Virgos. Ayan. Two kinds of Virgos ang nakuha natin dito. So, hindi ko alam kung sino ka dito. One of you is with the 9 of Pentacles. Nakakita tayo ng success, money, a lot of money is coming, a lot of, you are surrounded by a lot of people. Ayan, na nakakatulong para maging mas successful ka pa. So, mga kaibigan, katrabaho, yan. Kung hindi ikaw ito, the other Virgos na nakukuha natin is the 5 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This is someone who is problematic. Ayan. Feeling niya, may mga bagay siyang hinahanap eh. And maybe yung mga hinahanap niya ito is yung mga wala sa kanya. So, ito yung nagiging tendency kung ito yung nagiging dahilan na kung bakit nalulungkot at nasasaktan ito. So, if this is you, ayan, dalawang energy. So, paghihiwalayin ko to so I can get the reading for you. One is, maganda yung sinasabi, yung success is there. Ito yung tipo ng tao na parang walang pakialam sa pera, parang ganon. Kahit, kumaga hindi niya kasi masyadong ginagamit or kung ginagamit niya, hindi naman niya masyadong, kumaga maybe sobra-sobra or you know, it's just a person na parang lahat naman na kailangan niya is naandyan. So, hindi siya nababother kahit hindi masyadong maganda yung flow or whatever. But I can see success dito sa taong to. And the other person, pwedeng nagkakaroon nga ng mga problema dito. But kung ikaw ito na nagkakaroon ka ng problem, isa pa sa nakikita natin sa yung problem is that hindi ka marunong magsalita kung kailangan mo ng tulong. Like you are the person na hanggat kaya mo titiisin mo. Okay? And we do have here the 3 of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Pareho doon sa nabanggit kong energy kanina, alin ka man doon. Okay? Nakakakita tayo dito ng friends. The 3 of Cups is friends who are there willing to help you, willing to parang masaya sila pag masaya ka or like they are there for you, no? Kung ano man yung mga kailanganin mo sa hirap at sa ginhawa, nandyan sila para sa'yo. So, although nagkakaroon ka ng problem with regards to your money para dun sa isa, nandyan pa rin yung mga kaibigan mo. Yung isa naman, your success, nandyan din si mga kaibigan mo. Like, they are also happy sa success mo. Okay? So, tell me about the 9 of Pentacles. Magsimula tayo dun sa successful person. Successful person energy. Okay, I will not take this. Masyadong maraming cards yung lumabas. But anyway, for Virgos, please, para dun sa the one who is successful, you do have here the Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Marami tayong nakikitang dadating sa'yo ng mga bago. Now, when it comes to money, parang kailangan mong mag-decide. Like, mga proposal ito eh. Tell me about this. What's with the Page of Pentacles? Yeah, the 4 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yung iba sa inyo, as much as possible, gusto mo, ang priority mo is mag-ipon. Okay? But, actually, the advice for you is to listen to this Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sino ba to? This is a friend, this is a person, maybe katrabaho, empleyado, kaibigan, na pwedeng mag-advise sa'yo na kung yung bagay ba yun, na ipine-present sa'yo ay makakatulong sa'yo talaga. Okay? So, maybe for now, ito yung time na dapat makinig ka naman sa suggestion or suggestion ng iba. Lalo na tong friend mo na ito or kaibigan, kamag-anak, or taong nandyan to help you with regards to your finances. Career yung pinakikita natin dito. Okay? So, pag sinabi niya sa'yo, ay hindi naman makakatulong masyado sa iyan, wag mo nang i-accept, and then you have to believe this person. Kasi mas nakikita niya yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Like, this is your living coach. Diba? Kung baga sa basketball, minsan may times na, oo nga, buhay mo yan. Pero pag nasa pananaw ng iba, minsan alam nila yung dapat mong gawin. Diyan. Okay? Kasi nakikita nila na-analyze nilang mabuti at saka maybe mas alam nila yung dapat gagawin. So, you have to believe these people. Okay? So, balik naman tayo dun sa isang set of Virgos na nagkakaroon ng problems. Okay? Problems, money problems, particularly money problems talaga. We do have here the Emperor. Okay? The Emperor followed by the Ten of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. And we do have here the Sun. Okay? So, sa nakikita natin dito, I get this feeling na, by the way, hindi ko alam kung mayroon kang katabi or someone na parang nakatingin lang sa'yo. Maybe alagang hayop or what. Or maybe tao. I don't know. But I can feel someone beside you, sitting beside you. Anyway, the Emperor, the Ten of Pentacles, ito for me, this is another person. Maybe yun nga, a friend or a family. Whoever this person is, but I can see a lot of money dito sa taong to. Now, sa nakikita natin, hindi ka kasi marunong magsalita. Hindi ka marunong magsabi. And then maybe you are having the Emperor's energy wherein masyado kang matigas, na you feel like kaya mo lahat. Ngayon, sinabi ko na nga kanina, masyado kang nagmamatigas, ganyan, mataas ang ego mo. Alam mo yan, kung gaano kataas ang pride mo, ang ego mo. And ito yung umiiral sa'yo ngayon. Because there's a particular person na nakikita naman natin who is willing to help you with regards to your finances, with regards to your problems, nandyan siya para sa'yo. You do have here the Sun. Ayan, at the bottom of the deck. Maybe this is the person na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Maybe this is the person na hinihintay mo. Pero sometimes, may mga bagay na hindi ka naman dapat lagi naghihintay. Maybe this is the time na kailangan mo sabihin yung totoo or ikaw mismo yung lumapit sa kanya. Total, ikaw lang rin naman ang may kailangan. Okay? So, let's move on and focus on your futures. For Virgos, please. Ay, hindi. Bago tayo pumunta sa future, alamin muna natin yung regarding sa love. Of course, some of you are waiting this message na may kinalaman sa love. Okay? So, sige, magsimula tayo dun sa isang energy which is the Virgos who are maybe gaining a lot of success, money. Okay, magsimula tayo dun, ha? Take only what resonates since dalawa yung energies. The Ace of Pentacles. I don't know about you guys, but I can see a lot of money coming. You do have here the Ace of Pentacles. This is like something na bago for you. Guys, I love yung tinatanong natin, di ba? But, you know, money pa rin yung lumalabas. Why? Because actually, your focus is not love, but rather money. And tell me more about the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles, nakikita natin na may mga taong tutulong sa'yo kahit hindi mo naman kailangan. Alam mo, ang swerte ng side mo actually. Wala akong masyadong nakikita sa love, wherein because maybe that is not the issue for you now. Pwedeng, okay naman ako Whether may love life ka, pwedeng kung may love life ka, masaya naman, okay naman ang love life mo. And then you don't need any advice with regards to your love life. Okay, pwedeng ganun, no? Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe if you do not have anyone in your mind right now, or you don't have any love interest or what, at least okay ka lang kasi financially you are stable. Financially, there's a lot of blessings and success. And sabi ko nga kanina, pwedeng you are surrounded by people na talagang makakatulong at kumbaga nandyan lagi para sa'yo. So, all in all, pagdating sa love, wala talagang message dito. But rather, there's new career na naman, or maybe new opportunity, maybe new beginnings for you with regards to finances na nakikita natin na kahit hindi mo kailangan, ibibigay sa'yo. At ikaw naman, tinatanggap mo kasi nakakahiya. That is the energy. So, pwedeng may something kang tatanggapin na hindi mo matanggihan kasi nakakahiya. But this is an opportunity. This is like with the Chariot Cancer energy. This will happen to you fast. Okay? So, let's move on. Para dun sa medyo naghihikahos, medyo nagkakaroon ng problem. What is the message for love here? The Eight of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Eight of Pentacles. The Empress. Actually, yung energy mo kanina na nakuha ko, na pick up ko, kaya ako medyo natigilan, is like an energy of parang medyo yung iba sa inyo nalipasan na hindi nalipasan ng gutom, but rather nalipasan ng panahon. Maybe there's this time wherein nag-focus ka sa finances, sa money, sa career, and then ang tendency, hindi mo masyadong, wait lang guys, wait lang. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, so yun nga, pwedeng dumating yung time sa'yo, no, na I feel like you look good before, in the past, and then up to now naman, nandun pa rin naman yung pagiging malakas ang dating, sabihin na lang natin ganun, sa energy mo. And in the past, nakikita natin, may energy ka na, malakas yung dating mo, but you still work here where you are some kind of I don't know, medyo naging workaholic ka during this time. So, pwedeng nalipasan ka ng panahon. So, pwedeng, for now, pagdating sa love mo, I can still see you na you look good, but then, pwedeng yung interest mo na wala pa rin naman din sa love, more on money pa rin. I don't know, wala akong masyadong makuha sa'yo eh. With the Chariot, for some of you, meron ka lang iniiwasan or nilalayuan, or maybe you're running away from someone who can make you happy. There's a potential na ito person na ito can make you happy, but nilalayuan mo or iniiwasan mo. Okay? So, what will happen to you in the future? Wala tayong masyadong messages sa love. What will happen in the future for you? Magsimula tayo dito sa successful person. You do have here the Fool. Clarify the Fool, please. The Nine of Swords. Clarify the Nine of Swords. You do have here the Two of Wands. Okay? How about in the future for the other person? Which is yung person na nakikitaan natin ng medyo hikahos. Kukunin ko na ang inyong mga energies, and then, or yung mga messages. And then, I want to know the advice here. Ano yung advice? Okay, you do have here the Ace of Wands. Clarify the Ace of Wands, please. This is the main advice for you. The High Priestess is at the bottom of the deck. Well, actually, ang future mo, doon muna tayo sa sa medyo maganda yung sinasabi dito. I can see pagpaplano for you in the future. May mga something na pagpaplanuhan ka, maybe pagpaplanuhan yung mga tao sa paligid mo. I feel like with the Fool, you are willing to take the risk here. So ngayon, dahil magte-take ka ng risk, I feel like may someone na may magta-try, magpigil, or pigilan ka sa plano mo because natatakot siya. Siya yung natatakot, siya yung hindi niya sure kung mag-work out ba yung plano mo. But there's someone here who will try na pigilan ka. And nakakakita tayo ng energy ng stress or problema. Or yun nga, parang siya yung natatakot for you. And for what I can see here, you don't care. The Fool is here. So in the future, wala kang pakialam. You're just going to jump and take ng risk, no? Kasi bakit? I feel like hindi ka naman gagawa ng isang aksyon na hindi mo pinag-isipan mabuti. So, I can see you making some kind of action na pinag-isipan mong mabuti. Kaya lang, itong person na ito, nakakaramdam ako ng someone na sunod-sunuran na kind of energy. So, I don't know kung sino ito. Pero may ganun siyang energy. May pagkasunod-sunuran. Okay, so mamaya yung advice. For the other person who is having problems with regards to your money, ang future mo, actually, I can see sadness. There's something here na parang ayaw mong makita but possible na makita mo. And you're not ready to see this messages. I can see pictures. So, nakakakita ko ng something na makakapagpagulat sa'yo or makikita mo maybe sa social media mo. And maybe masaktan ka doon sa makikita mo na yon. That is a future for you. Okay, so let's move on to the advice. The advice here is the Ace of Wands. Bukod sa advice sa'yo kanina na you have to listen to this person na magbibigay ng advice sa'yo, I feel like kailangan mong makinig with the Ace of Wands. Ang advice sa'yo is kailangan mong mag-focus dito sa new beginning na ito. Kung ano man ito. There's an offer here with the Page of Cups na walang kahirap-hirap offer sa ito Kailangan mo tanggapin. Whatever this offer is, you have to accept it. Yun yung advice. Okay? At the bottom of the deck, we do have here the High Priestess. Lalo na kung pakiramdam mo naman is makakabuti para sa'yo to, or you feel good about this, wala naman nagpipigil sa'yo sa pakiramdam mo na nagawin ito or i-accept ito. So, yung advice sa'yo, yun nga, with the Eight of Swords and the High Priestess, I feel like okay, ibabalik kita, no? Nahirapan ako i-deliver kasi actually, ang advice sa'yo is to focus on new beginnings. Doon muna tayo, no? Hihimay-himayin ko lang para hindi ka lang malito. Ang advice sa'yo is to focus on the new beginnings. And then there's this High Priestess energy. Malakas yung intuition mo. Malakas yung pakiramdam mo. Okay? Kung ano yung tingin mong makakabuti para sa'yo, yun yung gawin mo. Regarding dun sa new beginning na yun. Okay? If you feel like, bukod doon, I can see na kailangan mong makinig sa advice. Yan, kailangan mong makinig sa advice. And then, pakiramdaman mo. Okay, narinig mo si advice, pakiramdaman mong mabuti. High chance na yung advice sa'yo is makakatulong para sa'yo. Pero pakiramdaman mo rin, kahit walang advice na nagbibigay sa'yo, na, siyempre, yung iba, wala naman talaga magbibigay ng advice. Okay, fine. Pakiramdaman mo kung ito bang new beginning na ito ay dapat mong i-stop or pigilan ng sarili mo, or yun nga, kailangan mong i-let go or tapusin with the Ten of Wands. These are two ending cards with the Ten of Wands and the Ten of Cups, or i-accept mo kasi nakikita tayo na new beginning na may kinalaman sa offers and pwede mong i-accept pero pakiramdaman mong mabuti. Okay, actually medyo madali lang naman yon. Yeah. So, actually, yung iba sa inyo advice with regards to love, Five of Swords, kung gusto mo ng changes, the Six of Cups. Kung sino yung nagbibigay ng pagpapahalaga sa'yo. Like, it doesn't matter kung gusto mo or hindi. Kung pinahalagaan ka niya, binibigyan ka niya ng time, importante siya. Importante ka para sa kanya. Go. Kasi alam mo bakit? Mas masarap magmahal ng taong mas mahal ka. Kasi ikaw yung parang naghahabol, nagkakandara pa sa kanya. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.